Hey Capricorn, let's see what are the messages for you. These are the energies for November. What are the messages for Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs? This card flew out, so I'm going to keep it. Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs. What are the messages for Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs? Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs. You got the King of Cups, the Strength, the Moon card, Five of Swords, Seven of Cups, Nine of Pentacles, Knight of Wands, and Seven of Swords. Lord of Sword energy, Five of Cups at the bottom of the deck. I'm going to keep it right here. Capricorn, what is happening? Really? So many sword energies, and these sword cards are not positive ones. Beware of people who are here to take advantage of you and hurt you in the process. There are some people who just have this sneaky aura about them, around them, and they just want to take and not give anything in return. I also feel that there's somebody who wants to offer you a new beginning. Now, this could be male, female, anybody, since these readings are not gender specific. Energies can be fluid, so take it however it resonates with you. Either you want to, extend this emotional, beautiful beginning with, no, not beginning with, sorry, beginning to a certain individual. Could be a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, could be a Leo person, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or actually all the signs are here. It could be a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn as well. But the signs that I'm seeing as a repetition are Pisces, Leo, Gemini, Cancer. Cancer again. Could be a Cancer person you're dealing with. Either they want to offer you a new beginning or you want to offer them this beautiful new beginning. You know what you want, Libra. I feel you know exactly how to, not Libra, I'm so sorry, Capricorn. Did I say Libra? No. I know it could be a Libra that you're dealing with, since I said the name of the sign. Capricorn, what I feel is you know exactly what you want and how to go about these things. You know what you're looking for in this relationship or this situation or this job that you want to, apply to. But what I'm getting is that this is not work related, this is only love and romantic relationships. Yeah. You got a lot of sword energy, Capricorn. And I feel that either you or this new person in your life wants to begin something that is more concrete rather than a fling or just a passing relationship. It needs to be more concrete and something stable. And I feel you both are of the same opinion, but just make sure that you decide what you want and don't tell a lot of people about it because they have an evil eye out for you and this relationship. Probably they know how beautiful this relationship could be or how um, what is the potential of you two when it comes to love and romance. Probably in the past, you were confused about um, what to pay attention to, or if not you, then this other person that you're dealing with was confused about what to pay attention to, what to leave, and how to go about things, and what to give priority to, basically. But you guys are moving on from that energy, either you or them, and or both of you, and coming into times that are more stable, and where you know what you are getting into. Basically, you are sure about yourself and the person you are dealing with after a great difficulty. King of Swords in the reverse. Yeah, so probably in the recent past, you felt bogged down because you had a mental shutdown, basically. No new ideas, nothing that was beginning, or no new beginnings, nothing that was serving you in a beautiful way. Things were just happening, but they were stressful, and that just led you to become really, um, how do I put it? Really stagnant when it came to your thought processes. But, probably because you were so confused about what to pay attention to, what to leave, um, you just felt as if there were just too many things happening at the same time and everything was falling apart. But now you've come out of that energy. If this is not you, then it was your person. If it's not them, then probably this is not your story. And you should check out your other signs without being disheartened, Capricorn, because sometimes our sun signs don't um, resonate with us as much as our moon or rising or even our Venus when it comes to love. So make sure you know what you want. And if you are planning to talk to people about this relationship, I'd suggest hold on, because there are a lot of sneaky people around you. You never know who to trust. So let this be for now. You've got the perfect timing card. This message may or may not be related to the entire tarot. So take it however it resonates with you. These are just general extra messages for an overall uh, flow of the reading. Hold your vision, Capricorn. Expect powerful change. You are good enough. Wow, you've got the new moon in Capricorn. Your hard work is paying off. Let's take out one more card. Don't let pride get in the way. These are extra messages for you, Capricorn. And whatever this relationship is, whoever you are dealing with, have a heart to heart conversation with them so that you guys know that you both are on the same page, and things don't become tricky after a long time, because I feel both of you want something that is long lasting. So make sure you lay a strong foundation for this relationship, Capricorn. I hope this reading made sense to you. Thank you for watching. Bye.